Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your profitability with Kraken step by step clearly. To upgrade your profitability with Kraken, first, create an account on the Kraken website. Visit the Kraken homepage and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your email, password, and other personal details. Verify your email address by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Next, go through the verification process by submitting necessary identification documents. Once verified, log in to your Kraken account. Familiarize yourself with the Kraken interface, especially the trading dashboard. Explore different cryptocurrencies available for trading on the platform. Determine your investment goals and risk tolerance before proceeding. Fund your account by selecting your preferred payment method. You can deposit funds via bank transfer, credit card, or cryptocurrencies. Once your account is funded, navigate to the trading section. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to buy or sell. Use technical analysis tools available on Kraken to identify market trends. Decide on the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or limit order. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to trade. Review your order details before confirming the transaction. Consider setting stop-loss and take-profit levels to manage your risk. Monitor your portfolio regularly to track performance. Stay updated on market news and trends that could affect your investments. Utilize Kraken's advanced trading features like margin trading for higher potential returns. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in multiple cryptocurrencies. Review your trading strategy periodically and adapt based on market conditions. Engage with the Kraken community for insights and tips from other traders. By following these steps, you can effectively upgrade your profitability while trading on Kraken. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.